Here's a 2018 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. The C-Class has pioneered breakthroughs in performance, safety, and luxury for 5 generations, raising the bar and putting innovation within reach. It's well equipped with the features you need: auto-dimming rearview mirror, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual-zone climate control, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, automatic transmission, power tilting steering column, memory steering wheel settings, Embrace external memory control, power convertible roof, AMG sport suspension, and twin-turbo V6 engine. Car and Driver remarks consider the C-Class as all that Mercedes knows about full-size luxury distilled into a smaller package. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Call us today at 561-508-9936.